start the lesson, let us pray first, therefore our lesson can run smoothly. Pray begins.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin.
Okay, thank you everyone. Now I would like to check your attendance. When I call your name, please say present miss, okay? Okay. Chudriski,
Present Miss.
Shiva,
Present Miss.
Almira,
Present Miss.
Danella,
Present Miss.
Sarah,
Present Miss.
Lala,
Present Miss.
Aid.
Present Miss.
Okay, so is anyone absent today?
No, Miss.
Okay,
Yes,
alhamdulillah.
one.
So everyone is here. Okay. Okay. Now I would like to check your conditions. Look at your uniform. Is it neat?
Yes, Miss.
Look at your class. Is it clean?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Now are you ready to learn English today?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. When I ask you, are you ready to learn English today? Please say ready, 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 ready. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Are you ready to learn English today?
Ready, 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 ready.
Okay. One more. Are you ready to learn English today?
Ready, 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 ready.
Okay. Give applause to us. Okay. Now because you are ready to learn English today, so I have some questions. Have you ever introduced yourself in English?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. What did you say when you introduced yourself?
Name, hobby, address, and age.
Yeah, good job. So today we will learn about something that really interesting to our daily life, that really close to our daily life, namely self-introduction. So in this section, you will be able to say your name, age, address, and hobby. And by learning this, it will help you to communicate with new people, and it will be easier for you to make new friends. So today we will watch a video about self-introduction, and then read a text about self-introduction, fill in the worksheet, and let's practice speaking. So after this section, you will be able to introduce yourself in English. You will be able to mention your name, age, hobby, and address, and then you will be able to speak clearly and confidently. So one more I ask you, are you ready to learn English today?
Ready, ready, ready.
Okay, one more. Are you ready to learn English today?
Ready, 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 ready.
Okay, so for further material, it will be explained by Miss Lala.
Alright everyone, after you do some pembukaan biar kita semangat. Nah, jadi kita akan memulai kelas kita hari ini. Nah, as the teacher, as Miss Hafiza said before, you will watch a video about how to introduce yourself in English. Jadi kita akan menonton satu video sama-sama tentang cara memperkenalkan diri dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, yang perlu Miss ingatkan, kalian semua harus remember. Apa itu remember? Mengingat. Nah, kalian bisa ingat pakai otak, atau kalian kalau misalkan sering lupa nih, kalian perlu take some notes. Nah, ada siapin kertasnya? Ada. Nah, itu juga udah ada peta pensilnya. Nah, nanti kalian intinya harus remember apa yang diucapkan di video tersebut. Karena setelah kita menonton video, I will give you some questions. Tenang aja, questionnya itu nggak susah dan nggak panjang dan nggak banyak. Oke, ini langsung aja ya kita mulai videonya. Ingat ya, harus disimak baik-baik. Aduh, videonya anak.
Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 7 years old. I live in Jakarta.
Terus
introduce yourself. Hello, my name is Anna. I'm 7 years old. I live in Jakarta. My father is a doctor. And my mother is a teacher. I have a younger sister. Her name is Emma. My hobbies are reading and singing. I like reading storybooks. I love ice cream. I want to be a singer. Nice to meet you. Jangan like dan subscribe ya. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. So everyone, can you hear what did she say? What did she say in the video? Bisa nggak kalian semua dengar apa yang dibilang sama cewek di videonya? Almira, bisa nggak tadi dengar? Dengar. Nah, kira-kira Almira tahu nggak apa aja yang dibilang tadi? Bisa nggak Almira sebutin? Tadi ada name, age, address, hobby, ya. Nah, sebenarnya ada 4 tadi, cuman ada lebih juga. Nah, kita tepuk tangan dulu untuk Almira. Almira. So everyone, jadi di video tersebut anak tersebut menyebutkan nama dia, umurnya, hobinya, terus juga hobinya. Nah, tadi kalian ada nggak yang ingat? Ada nggak yang buat catatan kira-kira apa tuh hobinya? Hobi dari anak? Reading a book. Yes, reading a book. Very good, Almira. Kira-kira Almira pasti jadi ranking 1 nih. Kalau misalkan Daniela, apa tadi? Kira-kira how old are Anna? Oh, it's okay. Tapi lain kali coba buat catatan ya. Nah, kalau misalnya Cipa, kira-kira tadi alamatnya tuh di mana? Yes, very good. Please give applause. Okay. So let's move to the material. Nah, jadi after we watch the video, Miss bakal menunjukkan structure yang biasanya ada saat kita memperkenalkan diri dalam bahasa Inggris. Nah, structure yang umumnya itu disebutkan ada 4 atau 6. Can you read this slide? Bisa dibaca slide-nya? Apakah semua nampak? Ya kan? Nah, oke. Nah, jadi supaya lebih jelas, saya akan menyampaikan ada 6 structure self-introduction yang biasanya kita sebutkan saat memperkenalkan diri. Yang pertama adalah greetings. Do you know some expression about greetings? Kira-kira tahu nggak ungkapan-ungkapan menyapa yang biasa kita ucapkan saat menyapa orang lain? Tahu nggak? Itu kira-kira tahu nggak apa greeting expression yang biasa diucapkan? Misalkan waktu pagi nih, ya, good morning, very good, please applause. Ada lagi kira-kira yang tahu selain good morning, mungkin sesama kawan, itu mungkin apa tuh? Nah, hello, yes, hi, what's up, hello, yes. Tahu lagi nggak? Ada yang lagi nggak tahu? Apa tuh? Nice to meet you. Oh my god, murid-muridnya pintar-pintar semua ya. Oke. Nah, jadi selain greetings itu ada lagi nih. Biasanya setelah kita ucapkan hi, hello, good morning, itu biasa kita menyebutkan name. Apa itu? Name. Nah, jadi misalkan kita udah bilang hello, I Semuanya udah bisa kan menghitung dalam bahasa Inggris?
Sudah.
Benar. Nah, jadi kalau misalnya nih, how old are you, Shiva? Alright, that's very good. Nah, selanjutnya itu adalah place of origin. Jadi ini maksudnya adalah asal negara kita. Kita kan negara Indonesia, jadi you can say I am from Indonesia. Nah, kira-kira ada yang masih ingat nggak tadi strukturnya apa aja? Ini sudah sebutin keempat. Apa aja tadi yang pertama? Name, age, yes, very good. Nah, selanjutnya itu kalian bisa menyebutkan address yang dimana addressnya adalah alamat. Kalau misalkan alamat Miss itu di Punggol Blangcut, jadi I live in Punggol Blangcut. Kira-kira di sini semuanya dari mana aja? Bisa nggak latihan? Bisa nggak nyebutin dalam bahasa Inggris? Kayak contohnya Miss, I live in Lampendaru. Nah, coba Daniela coba.
I live in Batam.
Okay, very good. Almira?
I live in Batam.
Yeah, very good. Cipa?
I live in Jakarta.
Japake, jauh juga ya ke sini. Kalau Icet gimana?
I live in Mataram.
Oke, very good. Nah, semuanya pinter-pinter. Nah, yang terakhir itu adalah hobi. Hobi ini adalah kegiatan yang biasa kalian lakukan saat waktu luang atau yang kalian suka. Nah, kira-kira di sini ada nggak yang punya hobi? Nah, Almira, Shiva. Nah, Almira dulu ya. Almira hobinya apa tuh
My
kira-kira?
hobby is badminton and swimming.
Oh my god, badminton and swimming. So you are an athlete. Jadi Almira adalah atlet ya. Nanti bakal terkenal, dapat medali dalam undang Kak Icu. Nah, kalau Cipa apa tuh hobinya?
My hobby are reading books and drawing.
What? Can you say louder please?
My hobby are reading books and drawing.
Oh, reading books and drawing. Very good. Biasanya anak-anak pinter tuh, biasa aku juga nih kalau drawing. Berarti dia orangnya juga kreatif. So everyone, selanjutnya itu Miss akan menampilkan how to ask and response yang berkaitan dengan self introduction. Nah, jadi kita ini akan baca bersama-sama ya. Terus nanti Miss akan bilang artinya setelah kita baca sama-sama. Jadi kalian setelah Miss ucapkan, you need to follow me. Okay? Do you get the instruction?
Yes.
Right. So first, what is your name?
What is
My
your name?
One more.
What is your name?
Nah, jadi what is your name ini artinya adalah nama kamu siapa. Jadi pertanyaan itu bisa kita gunakan ketika kita ingin bertanya nama seseorang. And then second one is how old are you?
How old are you?
Okay, one more.
How old are you?
Nah, kita pintar semua. Udah cara pengucapannya juga udah benar. But can you tell me what does this sentence means? Mereka tahu nggak artinya? Ya, berapa kamu? Very good. And then the next question yang bisa kalian ucapkan itu adalah where are you from? Please follow me.
Where are you from?
Okay, very good. Jadi kalau misalkan kita ingin bertanya dari asal kamu dari mana, you can say
Where are you from?
Very good. And then the next question is where do you live?
Where do you live?
Okay, one more.
Where do you live?
Nah, kalau misalkan pertanyaan ini ada yang tahu nggak artinya apa? Atau pertanyaan ini kita ucapkan kira-kira kapan nih? When we want to know.
Di mana alamatmu?
Yes. And then the last one, when you want to know other hobby, you can say kita ingin mengetahui nama seseorang atau ada orang yang bertanya nama kita, what is your name? You can say my name is blah 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 blah. How you say that?
My name is blah blah blah.
Okay, very good. And then when someone asks your age, you can answer like this. I am blah 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 years old.
I am blah 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 years old.
Okay, so I want to try with maybe Ichun. Can you please tell your age? I
I am 13 years old.
Okay, very good. Please give applause. And then, when someone asks, where are you from? You can say, I am from blah 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 blah. How do you say?
I am from blah blah blah.
Very good. And then, when someone asks your address, you can say, I live in blah 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 blah.
I live in blah 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 blah.
Nah, jadi ingat ya, kita harus pakai in kalau misalkan ada orang yang tanya di mana kita tinggal. Jadi bukan pakai I live on, I live at. Nah, itu salah. Okay. And then the last one, when someone wants to know your hobby atau kegiatan yang kalian sukai, itu you can say my hobby is blah 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 blah.
My hobby is blah blah blah.
Okay, that's very good. Nah, jadi can you remember apa aja tadi cara untuk bertanya terus bagaimana responnya? Kira-kira ada berapa? Ada 5, 5. And then sebelum kita lanjut nih ke latihan selanjutnya, Miss pengen make sure kalian udah mengerti apa belum? Atau sebelum Miss tes kalian nih, ada yang mau bertanya? Want to ask? Want to ask me? Nggak ada nih, oke, berarti Miss yang tanya ya. Nah, jadi apa aja structure dari self introduction? Apa aja tadi?
Name, age, address, hobby.
Okay, very good. And then Miss mau tanya nih, apa arti dari self introduction? Perkenalan diri. Perkenalkan diri. Very good. Please give applause. And then kita akan mencoba satu latihan. Jadi kalian perlu ke depan sini terus kalian baca. Nih siapa yang mau jadi volunteer? Siapa yang mau maju nih? Bakal dapat nilai lebih, bakal dapat hadiah nih. Bisa disiapin. Ayo, atau Miss tunjuk nih. Mau? Siapa yang mau tes? Ayo sebelum Miss tunjuk nih. Syifa, Icut, ayo ke depan yuk. Ayo sini. Gak apa-apa. Ayo sini yuk. Gak apa-apa Syifa, Icut, tolong dong cantik-cantik murid Miss. Ya ampun, Masya Allah, tabarakallah. Nah, nih, jadi yang perlu kalian baca nih ada dialog. Nah, dialognya ini 2 orang. Satu namanya Martin, satu namanya James. Siapa yang kira-kira mau jadi Martin? Siapa kira-kira mau James? Aku Martin. Oke, Martin. Oke, kuat ya suaranya. Ya.
Hello, I am Martin. What is your name?
Oh, hi, I'm James.
Nice name. How old are you, James?
Thanks, I'm 16 years old. How about you?
I'm 15 years old.
Oh, you're younger than me.
Yeah. Anyway, where do you live?
Oh, I live in Montessan.
Okay.
Please continue.
Oh, same here.
That's great.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay, very good. Please everyone give applause. Nah, kira-kira gimana nih suaranya, bagus nggak? Bagus nih. Benar nggak?
Benar.
Bisa nggak kita lihat orang yang percaya diri?
Bisa.
Oke, very good. Terima kasih sudah. Hadiah setelah kelas ya. Oke. Okay, everyone, after you read and know today's material, you will practice, but you will do it with Miss Arin. Please, Miss Arin, take your time. Okay, everyone, after you have learned with Miss Lala, now I will give you a worksheet. But before that, I want you to I want you to sit in pairs. So you will do the task with your pairs. So before that, I want you to listen because I will tell you the instruction. So you will do from the activity 1 until activity 2. For the activity 1, you need to complete the dialogue, and for the activity 2, you need to create your own dialogue. Okay, I will give you the worksheet now. Please work with your pairs. I will give you 15 minutes. Is it enough? Yes. Yes. You may do. You may begin. You may begin. Okay. Kerjanya sama pasangan temannya aja ya, jangan ke kelompok lain. If you even have any question, don't hesitate to call me, yes, or ask me anything. It's up to you. Alright, Miss. Okay, have you done, everyone? No? Okay, we may continue. It's okay. Did you find any difficulties so far? No? So it's easy, right? Yes. Okay, we may continue. No? Okay. How about this group? Yeah, you do a good job, yes. Okay. Time is up, everyone. Please listen carefully. Now, because you already do the worksheet or the task, I will choose one pairs to present in front and do the dialogue with their partner. So you will do a real life dialogue, like imagine it's your first time you meet each other. Okay? Who want to come from before I choose? Anyone? No? Okay, let me choose. Daniel and Amira. Okay, please come from. Hey. Okay.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How about you?
I'm fine too, thank you. What is your name?
I'm Rina.
Nice to meet you, Rabina.
Nice to meet you too.
How old are you?
I'm 13 years old.
Oh, I am 13 years old. Where do you live?
I live in Aceh.
That's nice. I live in Aceh too. What is your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Wow, that's interesting. My hobby is reading books.
Okay, give applause to group of Wow, very good. Jessica. So, they really present very well, right? Okay. Now will be continued by Miss Sarah. Alright. Next. Sorry.
Alright everyone, before we end the class, let's review what we have learned today. I will ask some questions for you all. The first question is, what is self-introduction? Apa itu self-introduction yang telah kalian pelajari hari ini? That's right, excellent everyone. And the second question is, what should we mention in self-introduction? Excellent everyone, so glad to hear that. And so to check your understanding, I will ask you some question again. And the question is, how do you say your hobby?
My hobby is drawing.
Yeah, very good. And the next question is, how do you ask someone's names?
What is your name?
And how do you answer it?
My name is Lala.
And I want to ask one student to answer my question to check your understanding. Please check. How do you ask your friend's name?
What is your name?
Yeah. And for Sifa, how do you answer the church ask for you? My name is Sifa. Yeah. Okay. Very good answer. Let's we reflect what you have learned. Was the lesson easy or difficult? Easy. What the most easy? Apa yang paling mudah? Apakah itu contohnya atau apa? Yang paling enak dilihat?
Apa tadi waktu?
Apa yang paling kalian suka di pelajaran ini? Menjelaskan. Watching video, right? Yeah. Alright. I will give you the homework. For your homework, please write one self-introduction. This is include names, age, hobby, and then address. So please be practice and be prepared at home. Okay? Okay. Then the next activity is I will tell you what we will learn the next meeting. In the next meeting, we will practice our speaking about. We will practice in front of class to including myself. You get it?
Yes.
Okay, please practice at home. Okay. Everyone, this is enough for today. Before we end the class, please pray together. Pray together. Alright everyone, that's enough for today. Thank you for your attention, thank you your participations, and have a nice day. See you next time.